Hello peeps, welcome back to my channel. Hope all of you are doing fit, fine and keeping healthy. Today I'm bringing you the high protein and low fat fruit tips, and I'm using a very important ingredient in those tips, that is the very healthy Epigamia Greek yogurts. Greeks have left us many things, but the two important things which hold the top spot is democracy and these yogurts. Democracy is of no use when you are hungry, but then these high protein, low fat and all natural yogurts are a great way to kill those hunger pangs. The meaning of epigamia is marriage, formulation of marriage. So it is a wedding of your healthy lifestyle with a great taste. That's what these Epigamia Greek yogurts are bringing you. Not only they are healthy, but they are great, yummy tasting variety of flavored yogurts. So I'll be using these Epigamia Greek yogurts, different flavors, into my all natural healthy fruit tips. So let's get started. Go, yeah. Going to make fruit dips. For that obviously we need cut fruits. I have taken papaya and pineapple. You can also take apple and any other fruit of your choice. And obviously this Epigamia, it's a low fat and a very high protein Greek yogurt. Any flavor you can take, and they are providing me with a chunky granola with it, which I will be incorporating in the fruit dips. So I have taken the vanilla bean flavor, the green apple flavor, and I have taken the Alfonso mango as well as strawberry. I love them so that I will use all of it into my fruit dips. Yeah. And we need 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, and obviously my favorite yummy salted caramel PPI Sports Whey HD protein, which we will be using half a scoop. So let's get started. Yeah. We also need a beater. I'm taking 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, then the Epigamia Greek yogurt. We've got to mix all of it. I'm also using this vanilla bean Epigamia Greek yogurt and the crunchy granola which comes free with it. I have to use it because we are going to make crunchy fruit dips. Yeah. So you see, these are the chunky granolas which come free with the Epigamia Greek yogurt. I am mixing them into the yogurt and peanut butter mixture. And also I'm adding up another set of Greek yogurt, and see, it looks so yummy. Okay, you gotta mix it. And obviously my favorite BPI Whey HD, which you need half a scoop. Added it, and here you go. You just gotta beat it into a consistency of a dip. Yeah. Let's go. See, it's looking so yum. Yeah, my crispy, chunky granola fruit dip, crispy one, is ready. Now we gotta spread it on top of the fruit. Spread it with the help of butter knife on the cut pieces of fruit. So here I am spreading it on top of a pineapple cut piece, and and it's so yum and high in protein and low in fat. Similar way, you have to spread it on top of a papaya cut piece like this, and it smells also awesome because of the all salty caramel awesome flavor into it. So like this, you just spread it on top of the fruit, and your yummy healthy noon or evening snack, even the midnight hunger pangs, healthy snack, high protein, low fat, with a yummy Greek Epigamiya yogurt and BPS oats UHT. It's ready.